pause the environment, and you can even, given a virtual machine that you actually prefer the configuration of, you can tell it to create a new binary file from this actual from the virtual machine that's actually running. Very, very, very cool technology. Before that, what I used to do was something like just utilizing VirtualBox by itself, or VMware workstation by itself. What I used to do literally would be to boot up the virtual machine, go in, and this is using the GUI version, because I was a Windows guy, so I would actually boot up the Red Hat or the CentOS version desktop edition, so I could get all the menus. I'll go in, I'll start configuring it, start configuring all the settings, start configuring all the TCP buffers, start configuring all the, basically there's a whole pile of configuration, installing Java. I'll get it, and then when it was just right, I'll then generate a new binary file, so a new virtual or VM image from what I've just built, so I can say, okay, I don't have to remember it anymore, I have my base image here. That's great, fantastic, and that's what I used initially when I tried to build up my cluster, until it got to the point where I took a pause, worked in a different system, came back, and it was like, okay, I've got this image here, but how the hell did I configure it? I didn't know. Especially if, for example, you're using an older version of a, let's say, a CentOS system, let's say, I don't know, CentOS 6.4, and now you need to move on to CentOS 6.7. You have to recreate the steps. That actually is what prompted me to move away from this manual configuration, create a static version, and play with that, and hope to God it doesn't mess up on me. To no, this is incredible. This is crazy. I need to automate it so that if the operating system then jumps from CentOS 6.7 to CentOS 6.8, as an example, I could just simply use a new base image, CentOS 6.8, and then just rerun my scripts. Everything works as fine because it's a minor change within the operating system. Yeah. Same within the Java version. Instead of me hard coding a Java version, let's say it's Java 8, patch 41 as an example. Okay, I'm not stuck on that patch. I can rerun my scripts on a higher patch. I think it's 101, 102 is the current one right now for Java 8, and I'm utilizing the latest version of Java, but I do not have to remember how I recreated the virtual machine because it's all done via scripts. Okay, so that beautiful. Vagrant. You have to use Vagrant. We're gonna install Java as a test. So again, the whole point of this course is not only how to bring a clustered environment up, but how via a single line you can then say, okay, I need this software installed on multiple nodes, multiple servers. Again, you're not logging into each machine and installing software individually. You don't want to do that. You need everything to be automated. Okay.